what I do is right here, MLS Touch. MLS Touch. I thought it was called MLS OK app, but it's called MLS Touch. At the top right, that app right there, open it up. So here's the home screen that you're on right here. Click the map search. Map search. Now, when you're in the map search, type in the address. For example, I'm going to use 3204 Northwest 25th Street. 3204 Northwest 25th Street. Okay, so there's the listing right there. Okay, now click on it. I just clicked the button and this popped up. Okay, so when this pops up, see how I'm moving this up and down with my finger? Just push it up all the way. Okay, and it locks in place. Okay, see how it popped into place there? All right, now that it's popped in place, see the share button on the screen? I'm looking down at my phone, so that's what I keep looking at. So see there's my phone right there. So click the share button. All these different shares pop up. You want to share more options. So it's going to spin around and you want to copy. So I clicked copy. So I clicked share more options. I clicked, oh my goodness. I clicked share. Then I clicked more share options. More share options. This screen popped up and I clicked the copy button. You want the URL is what you want. So I click the copy button. Now I'm going to go over to my social media profile on my phone. So let's go to Facebook, for example. And then what's on your mind at the top? I'm on the iPhone, so I'm using iOS. If you're using an Android, your software may look a little different, but click what's on your mind. And this pops up. This is putting a post on your feed. You all have to be familiar with this. What I like to do first is my emojis. You've got to have some emojis. They help stop the scroll. So I like hearts. I like checks. I like the American flag. And then I also want, I love a sunflower. These are all my recents. Fire is good because you can always go back and delete them, but it's good to get all the emojis out right now. The little arrow button and the little call button. And you always want to put a call button on there. Okay, now that I've got all my emojis, I'm going to go in front of the heart. And I'm going to take the emoji screen off. So to take the emoji screen off, to get to emojis down there in the bottom right, all I clicked was the smiley face to get to the emojis in the bottom right. To take the emoji screen off, just click the ABCs in the bottom left, not right, the bottom left. Left hand up makes an L. Okay, remember that. Now I've got my cursor in between the heart and the check mark. I want to take that down a notch. So get the check mark out of the way. Or if you want, you can leave the check mark there. That's fine. But now you're going to start your call to action, your headline. You're going to start your headline, not your call to action. You're going to start your headline. Oh, wow. How cute. Space. Okay. So I did a space after the heart, and then I wrote, oh, wow, how cute. And then I did another space. Now I'm going to put my cursor. If you're using iOS, just hold your thumb on the space bar and you can move the cursor all around like that. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't know that. Give it a thumbs up if that helps. But put your cursor in between the check and the American flag. Use whatever emojis you want. This is America, people. Be proud. Houses sell faster with American flags in their front yards. If you didn't know that. Hit enter. And you bring the flag down. Now I'm using this flag as a space. And then hit enter again. So I move my cursor on the other side of the flag and I hit enter again. Now I've got a space. That flag is a placeholder. Now in front of the daisy, I'm going to hit, not daisy, sunflower. Now in front of the sunflower, I'm going to hit space. Can you believe this property? Can you believe this home? Space. And then now that I have that space there, I'm going to do one more space. So I've got two spaces there. I'm going to push the cursor back in front of the space that I was just on. Sorry, I double tapped it there. And now tap where the cursor is at with your thumb. Tap where the cursor is at with your thumb and it allows you to paste. So paste that URL right there. You see how you pasted that URL? Scroll over on the other side of the fire and hit down. And I'm actually going to delete that arrow right there. I actually want a down arrow, so I'm going to go back to my emojis in the bottom left, and then I'm going to just type in down, DOWN, and see how that down arrow popped up. I'm going to put it in right there. I'm going to hit the smiley face down in the bottom left, and that's going to take me back to my keyboard right here, and I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to push the space button, move my cursor on the other side of the phone. Call me to see this home. And then put your phone number. I'm going to put my sales number in there, my sales line number in there. That way the agents that I work with get the calls. 405-369-8202. That goes to my CRM. That number goes to my KV Core CRM, and it also goes to the agents that I work with, so I can easily share it with them. So you've got this amazing write-up right here, but you're kind of like, ew, that's a little bland. That's a little bland. You're right. Watch this. Scroll up on your software to get back to the MLS Touch app. Hold your thumb on the picture. The picture pops up. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Crop in on the screenshot. Okay, I'm not trying to be overcomplicated. I'm trying to be detailed. I hope that you're finding value in this. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you're finding value in this. Click done. So save it to your photos. Save it to your photos, and then go grab some front room pictures. I think I need to take that one out. I actually think I need to take that one out. So grab some front room pictures. Okay, open it up, screenshot, crop it in, crop, done. Save the photos, and then maybe get a dining room. Ooh, I'm gonna get 2 living room pictures. Yeah, 2 living room pictures. Open it up, crop in, done. Save the photos, close, and then I need a dining. Oop, I'm going the wrong way. So sorry about that. I need a dining room picture. Ooh, that looks pretty good too, though. Yeah, I kind of like that one too. Ooh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one too. So take a screenshot. To take a screenshot on an iPhone, I'm just pushing the power button and the volume up button. On Android, I don't remember what it was. I used to be an Android guy. Like, I'm so jealous of the Google Folds right now, the Pixel Folds. I want one so bad. But iOS, gotta have the Apple. It's all in my ecosystem. So done. Save the photos, close it, and then, like I keep repeating myself over like a complete dodo, I need a kitchen photo. So I'm just looking for a good kitchen photo right now that I like. Let's go back to this one right there. Let's take this kitchen photo. So copy it, screenshot, open the thing, scroll up right there, crop in, done. Save the photos. Don't give them too many photos. Just get them enough to get them salivating. Get the buyers enough to get them salivating when you're making these social media posts. Okay, scroll up on iOS, scroll up to get it back to this. And then now that you've got, oh wow, how cute. Can you believe this home? This link gets them to your MLS Touch app. If they have questions about it, when they ask for questions, it will get the questions to you so that you can get the lead, that you can get the business, so that you can capitalize on that opportunity to go help a listing agent like myself get the household. You pick up another buyer. We both sell a house. We both get commissions. We both get paid. That's why we're in business, people. You know, we're not going to buy our kids shoes unless we have closings. We're not going to pay the tax man unless we have closings. So you want to make sure that when you're sharing listings on social media that you get the inquiries. You don't want to share other agents' posts. You want to make your own post. That's what's so important about this. That's why I'm doing this detailed video to show you how to do it. You go into your MLS Touch app, you go to your state, you log in, you go to the listing, 3204 Northwest 25th Street, as an example on this video. You grab that, you do that button that I did where it was share, then you click more share options, then you click copy the link. You build this little post that's on the screen right here, and then I want to add photos. So now that we've copied all those photos, we went back to the app, we did screenshots on the photos that we wanted. Now I need to add photos. So see right here when I scroll up, I'm scrolling up with my finger up and down, scrolling up with my finger up and down right there. I want to delete this preview. I want to delete this preview because I want the pictures. I want the pictures in there. So to delete the preview, on the X, just click the X right there on my top right screen, the X, just click it off. On the left side are the image icon. Do you see the image icon right there? Click it. It opens up the images that we just took. And then you also see some muffins and other things that I have pictures of, a tree that fell in the woods. But click those. And then after you select them in the right order. I'm actually going to switch this order up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, select them in the order that you want. You see how I have them there? The house, when you come in the front door, the living room, and then the kitchen. You just put them in a way that's strategic, but don't give them too many photos. You want them to salivate. You want them to call you. I want you to pick up buyers. I want you to show these listings, and I want you to get a commission check. I'm in business to help people sell houses. I'm in business to help agents make money. When I make money, we're working together, guys. Come on, let's do this. And then I click done. Once I click done, you see how it's laid out there? You can adjust the layout if you want. Choose layout, adjust the layout if you want. I just let the algorithm pick. It's usually good enough. That's what I do. I just let the algorithm pick. And then what you do is before you post it, guys, copy this write-up. So to copy the write-up, I put my thumb on one of the words. And you see how it popped up there where I can highlight all this? See, I'm highlighting it all right now. Copy that write-up because you're going to use it on Twitter. You're going to use it on LinkedIn. You're going to use it on True Social. You're going to use it wherever you post on social. You want to copy this, okay? Now hit post. Now it posts, okay? People are going to start looking at it, all right? Now, when you post it, go back at the end of the day, add one of those pictures to the comments. Sort of refreshes it, sort of makes the algorithm look at it again, all right? And then tomorrow morning, add another one of those pictures to the comments. Tomorrow evening, add another one of those pictures to the comments. You can keep the same post alive in the feed, in the algorithms by just commenting on the post. Comment with photos. It's the easiest way to stop the scroll. Okay, now that I've got that right there, guys, it's beautiful. It's awesome. Okay, you made a social media post that will get you business from a listing that's not necessarily yours. If I am saying to the agents, share my listing, get a buyer, bring it, maybe they'll buy the house, we can do a deal together. That's what I mean. I literally want you to do it. That's why I made this video, to show you how to do it. Now that you've copied that, go ahead and go to one of your other social media platforms, like LinkedIn, for example. Here's my LinkedIn platform. Okay, I go to post down at the bottom right. I click post. It pops up. All I do is I tap that post and see where it says paste. I paste it. All that work that we just did, I can easily share it to each platform right away, guys. You can do this like if you just get off the stair step, or just get off the air bike, or just get off the treadmill. Don't take your phone to the throne room. Don't do that. That's the worst way to be unproductive, not productive. Is there a negative connotation word that's unproductive, like inefficient? Comment down below if there's some sort of unproductive word. I don't think there is. I just think it's not productive. But don't take your phone to the throne room. You know what I'm talking about. Ew, gross. People do it. People do it. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, add the photos. Where are my photo buttons? Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Put them in a logical order. Click add. Click next. And there you go. Now you've got a LinkedIn post. Share it. Post. All right. Same thing for True Social. If you're a True Socialer or a Twitter person, same thing. Open up your X account, not Twitter. I forgot. He changed the name. Open up the X account. You got your cursor right there in the post. Click on it. Click paste. Add the pictures. Only add 4. On Twitter, or X, only add 4. So 1, 2, I like window pictures over non-window pictures. You might like that too because it lets in natural light. 3, 4, and then add, post. See how it says sending down there in the bottom left? That's because I have a pro account. You may not have a pro account, but if you just want to go ahead and send it now, just click send now, and it uploads. And if you have a pro account, you have 60 minutes to edit it if you want. Okay, now that that's there, go to your social media platforms, post it. If you've got a business page, a business Facebook page, post it in there. If you don't, just go to my channel, search how to create a Facebook business page, and I've got a video on how to create a Facebook business page. I want you to be successful. Seriously, I do that. If you can sell the listing that I asked you to share, that you said, yeah, I'll take a look at it and share, not only are you being successful, you're helping me be successful too. Come on, guys. That's why I enjoy working with everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on Truth. Ew. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he's a Truth guy. Guys, it's another platform to get leads from, okay? You don't have to be a guy or a gal to get business. You're in business. Advertise. That's what these posts are. They're advertisements. Post them. It's free. Do it. So add your pictures. Now, Truth, I think, is a little more painstaking to add pictures. Yeah, you got to add each picture at one at a time. So that's kind of painstaking. But I mean, seriously, how hard is it to select 4 pictures? Just take your time to do it. And I'm only going to choose 3 because it is kind of annoying to have to choose each one individually. 3 gets the point across. Hit Truth. All right, boom. There we go. That's how you can share other agents' listings on social media. Go back, rewind the video, watch it again, play it a little slower. I know I talk fast, but that is how you do it on social media, guys. That is how you share other people's listings using the MLS Touch app so that you get the leads. You don't want to share other agents' posts. Like, don't share my post on a post. Go to MLS Touch app, go to that address on that listing, go to more options, more sharing, click the share button, more sharing options, copy the URL. Just click copy. That'll give you the URL. Add your emojis, add your little write-up, add your phone number, do screenshots to get the pictures, and then start posting away. Post away. Guys, I really hope that you're able to pick up a buyer. I hope that this helps you become more successful in your real estate business. And guys, if you're curious about the tools, the technology, the training, the coaching, the systems that we have at XP Realty, I want to take this time to invite you to give me a call. We can have a completely confidential call. I can do a screen share. I can show you every single thing, all the tools that I use at XP Realty in my business, which saves me money, gets me more production, and makes my team run smoother so that you can use it in your team, in your production, and in your business too. All right, guys, Josh Barnett, XP Realty. Thanks so much for watching, and make it a great day.